Okay, so here's the tail lights. You could see they're like cracking or something. It's a little strange, but they're cracking. And not only that, I'll do a flashback, but when I had the car built, I had these on for a long time, they were fine. And then I swapped them onto that car and put the stocks on here because I got in that accident in late February. And I pretty much put everything back to stock because I didn't know if they're gonna total the car out or not, which they didn't. So now I'm rebuilding it again. I'll show you everything I've done in a second. I'm rebuilding it, and once I put these back in, I guess I jacked up the seal or something, and water was getting in here, and it pretty much completely, I guess, shorted out the running light. So the running light doesn't turn on at all, and plus they're tinted, so whenever I drive at night, it looks like I have a taillight out until I hit the brakes or the turn signal. This is the problem child. This one actually has a couple LEDs out on the bottom because it had some water in here as well. It's kind of sad, but I got replacement taillights, which I think are even better than these. Yeah, so I'm pulling these out right now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pop the new ones in, and I'll give you a run through of all of that. Sorry for all the noise, they're doing like yard work. And so let's get to the removal and install. These are the tails I ended up going with. I went with red to kind of change it up. So here's your running light. That's your brake light, and that's your turn signal. I'll show you all the sequences in a little bit. Yeah, these are the VLANs. Go ahead and pop them on and show you what they look like. That's it. That completely changes the look of this. It's been tinted, the smoked lenses, since I think I've got this car. I'm digging the red. I can't wait to see what they look like at night. Uh-oh. Okay, I figured it out. When I first went to turn them on, it only put the turn signal on. But VLANs, they're a smart company. They make great shit from what I've experienced so far. To get it to work properly on an FRS, you have to swap the green and the yellow. And they made it so you could just easily unplug it and replug it. So this is what it would look like before you do that. And after you switch them, that'll illuminate. You could kind of tell they're on. It's so bright out. I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna pop this side off, flip those wires, and then we're good. Undo the green and the yellow. Green goes to yellow, yellow goes to green. Sequential turn signals work. I'll wait till it's a little bit darker out, or whenever I put it in the garage, I'll show you what they look like in low lighting. That way you get a really good idea of what they are. There's a lot of depth to these, which is what I really liked about them. That's why I got these ones. So far, I'm absolutely happy with these. I'm pretty impressed. Now we'll just see how long they last as far as like durability goes and all that.
I just wish things were different. When and bought you a brand new chain, now your neck is glistening. Let's get crazy. Half a zenny, now you taking off your panties. You putting on a show, you need a Grammy. You love the way you pick it up like a nanny. You be killing me, nah. See you in them jeans, I'ma overheat. Sunscreen ain't gon' fix this shit. You hot like an oven, I'ma need 2 minutes. Why you in my dreams? Nah. You play them like movie, you bad and you bougie like the devil wears Prada. You always say you love me, never said it to him. You love a drop top, so I'm taking a Benz. I buy some shit I know he can't afford, and I'll pay